Director of Sales and Marketing for ProSpot Canada. Okay. All right, we are here with Russell Duncan, and he is the Director of Sales and Marketing for ProSpot Canada, and we've got David Pereira over here from Color Compass. So could you just tell me, what are you guys showcasing today at CCIF?
So at CCIF, we have our glue pull system, which is a collision repair process using glue as opposed to metal studs. We're also going to be showcasing our chip repair for windshields and our latest i4S resistant spot welder.
Okay, awesome. And Color Compass, what do you guys? Same thing?
Right. We just partner with Russ, and
Okay.
we do all the Canadian work.
Awesome. So could you guys tell me, what are some trends or predictions you have for 2020 in the industry, whether it be products you might think are popular or any sort of trends that you might think might be hitting the scene?
Well, this is definitely not a trend. This is going to be a process that we use. We're getting products that we don't want any corrosion on the backside. So this tool will actually pull both aluminum and steel. So it's really, really unique, and without having to apply large amounts of heat to the substrate. So we're not damaging anything on the backside for corrosion protection.
Awesome, that's great.
So we're really promoting repair versus replace.
Yeah, so that's something you guys are pushing in 2020, repair
Absolutely.
versus replace. That's awesome, glad to hear that. So what about any challenges or disruptions you think the industry might be facing in the next coming years or just in 2020?
Well, I think disruption is here to stay. So this is not going to be a new process for us. We're going to continuously see change. Even a tool like this, we didn't design it and then bring it to industry. Industry comes to us with their issues, and at that point in time, we need to respond.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Okay, so one last question. What are some product trends you're expecting to see from other companies maybe, or at ProSpot, are there any other things you could tease for 2020?
Well, what we're going to start seeing is communication, but not just in traditional methods. We're actually going to be having the machines communicate with management and software systems. So this will be proof of fastening, whether it's riveting, whether it's resistance welding. Our machines will actually be able to communicate that the job's been done and move that data to the management system, but conversely will allow us to move data into the machines as alloys and procedures change.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, David? Have any predictions for the industry in the next coming years?
Russ has got them all.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much.
Very,
It was a
very
pleasure
welcome.
talking to you.
Pleasure
Have a
meeting
great
with
time
you.
tonight.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.